Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 7 of this challenge 30 days of automation. Today is about newsletter. I'm not sure how many of you, but I receive hundreds of emails and newsletters. Very interesting one, but because of priority in life, usually I don't read all those emails coming in. And I'm losing a lot of information, interesting information, different topic, different background, different subject matter. What I did, I create an automation again through Zapier. What I do, I created an account, an email on Zapier, so all the time an email is coming in this specific newsletter account, then I use ChatGPT to summarize the text. So I'm gonna read it only if it's of interest. And then I'm creating a Google Sheet, is the same Google Sheet that I set it up with 3 columns, with the date, who sent this email, and the summary of the whole text in a Google Sheet. So if I want, I just click on it and I see more of what is written in the email. Hope this helped. Have a nice day.